Hello guys, welcome to Pocket Notes. Today we will be discussing about straits of the world. So, what is a strait? A strait is a thin channel of a waterway that connects two large water bodies. The most important point of a strait is it should be formed naturally, it should be narrower than the sea it connects, and it should be navigable route. And basically, it is used by commercial shipping to travel from one sea to another. Now let's begin with covering all the straits on map. So the first strait is Hudson Strait, which connects Hudson Bay to Labrador Sea, and it separates Baffin Island from Labrador Peninsula. Both the places belongs to Canada in North America. Now we will be moving towards the next strait, which name is Florida Strait. So Florida Strait connects Gulf of Mexico to Atlantic Ocean, and it separates Cuba from USA. Now moving towards the next strait, named Strait of Gibraltar. This strait connects Mediterranean Sea to the Atlantic Ocean, and it separates Spain from Morocco. This strait geographically divides Europe from Africa. Now coming to next strait, named Bonifacio Strait. This strait connects Tyrrhenian Sea to the Mediterranean Sea, and it separates Corsica island of France from Sardinia island of Italy. Now coming to the next strait, which is named as North Channel. This strait connects Irish Sea to Atlantic Ocean, and it separates Scotland from Northern Ireland. Now let's move to the next strait, which is named as Dover Strait. This strait connects English Channel to North Sea, and it separates England from France. So this is Dover Strait. Now coming to the next strait, which is very important strait, named as Bosphorus Strait. So this strait connects Black Sea to the Sea of Marmara, and it finally connects to the Mediterranean Sea through Aegean Sea. It divides Turkey into two parts near Istanbul. It is the narrowest strait of the world, and it partially separates Europe from Asia. Now moving towards the Middle East region, here comes Hormuz Strait. It connects Persian Gulf to Gulf of Oman, which is a part of Arabian Sea, and it separates Iran from one side and Oman and UAE from another side. Almost 25% of total global oil consumption passes through this strait, making it a highly important for trade. Now the next strait is Bab-e-Mandeb. It connects Red Sea to the Gulf of Aden, and it separates Yemen from Djibouti. Now moving towards the Indian Ocean, here the strait is Park Strait. It connects Bay of Bengal to Park Bay, which finally connects to Indian Ocean through Gulf of Mannar, and it separates India from Sri Lanka. Now the next strait is Strait of Malacca. It connects Indian Ocean to Pacific Ocean, and it separates Malaysia from Sumatra Island of Indonesia. It is the shortest waterway which connects Indian Ocean to South China Sea, and it is the longest and one of the busiest strait of the world. Now the next strait is Sunda Strait, which connects Indian Ocean to Java Sea and separates Sumatra Island from Java Island of Indonesia, and it is the shallowest strait of the world. Now moving towards east of China, here is Korea Strait. It connects East China Sea to the Sea of Japan, and it separates South Korea from Japan. So the next strait is Strait of Tartary. So this strait connects Sea of Okhotsk to Sea of Japan, and it separates Sakhalin Island of Russia from mainland Russia. Now moving towards the very famous strait, which is Bering Strait. It connects Arctic Ocean to Bering Sea, and it separates Russia from Alaska State of USA. Bering Strait separates Asia from North America, and the international date line passes through this strait only. Now moving towards Australia, here is Bass Strait. It connects Great Australian Bight to Tasman Sea and separates Australia from Tasmania Island. Now we will discuss some important facts of these straits. These are: longest strait is Strait of Malacca, then widest strait is Denmark Strait, then narrowest strait is Bosphorus Strait, and finally shallowest strait is Strait of Sunda. Now, strait that separates Asia from America is Bering Strait. Strait that separates Europe from Africa is Gibraltar Strait. Strait that separates Australia from Tasmania Island is Bass Strait. So guys, that's all for today's video. Now we will be meet in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.